Scotty, what'd you do?
I'm ripping apart another column.
Yeah, you're the column
Go
guy.
figure. Well, GM columns are stupid easy.
Yeah.
But it was replaced before we got it.
At some point.
So it now has all new shiny purdy stuff in it.
There it is.
This was an absolute nightmare. It got caught because...
Tilt column.
So it was move a little bit, twist, move a little bit, twist, move, the whole time. So, but it's in. New one is routed with a jumper, which is what I'm not understanding.
Oh, the correct stuff at least.
Yeah, I mean it's a good piece. I like it.
And this is why this wasn't working. You remember how hacked that was, everybody?
Oh yeah, and I mean
they had stuff just kind of ghettoed onto that.
I never really looked at that before.
It's got a little paint on it.
Yeah, not a big deal.
So that's there and done.
But it's a two-piece column.
Yeah, because it's tilt telescopic.
And that
eBay.
is what does it. So we got to figure out what he wants to do because the steering column or the steering wheel that he has, which by the way has overspray on it. I'll get that cleaned up for him too.
You'll polish that up.
Yeah.
You'll make that nice.
If he wants, he's gonna have to. Well, he's about my height, but your build.
He's a little taller than me. Yeah.
So I'm wondering if I should set this about midsection and then just lock it.
We could. I don't think he's gonna telescope it much.
Well, he doesn't have the right parts on it to telescope it.
Yeah, so let's just
So
lock
it's like
it
just
in somewhere nice
and
for
we'll be
now.
good. He'll be happy.
Yeah.
And while you were gone, the other parts for the antenna came.
Woo!
So now I can finish routing the wires. Get that all taken care of.
Nice, dude.
Get everything glued into place and back.
Mm-hmm.
Get the B pillars on, and I can take out these godforsaken stupid bolts
And put the
put
right
the
ones.
proper ones in.
Yeah, get that done.
That's gonna make me feel better.
Are we gonna have a happy Scotty?
Yes, we're gonna have a very happy Scotty.
All right. Now
I just want this right. I don't like having things half-assed.
Yeah, I'm gonna get you an ignition switch coming, so it can be here either tonight or first thing tomorrow.
Yeah.
And
But
I got
we'll
some
get it.
stuff. Brake calipers we'll have tomorrow.
Finally, yes.
Finally, yes. That was 5 phone calls, but we got them.
Okay, good.
And then these, look out for the UPS man in the morning because those will be here.
Oh, good.
The harness.
It'll be so. I mean, it's coming together quick, but now it's just staying focused and getting it done.
The wipers and the cowl end up.
That's all done and hooked up with squirters, and we need to get wiper
I
blades.
just need to get blades for it. Okay.
Yeah, because the ones that are there are just not right.
I'll order that tomorrow.
So
We'll get that tomorrow.
I can't wait to get this thing outside and get her fired up.
I know.
It's going to be so nice.
Yeah. I got to get tire sizes for them tonight, too.
Yes.
I'm doing that. Right now, I'm going to sit down and do that on the computer while these videos are uploading.
Beautiful, beautiful. Deuces.
Later, Scotty. You're going to go home, cool off. I'm going to keep working.
Yeah, it's 115. I'm a little hot.
Yeah, it's fine.
Well, I know I'm a little hot, but that's just not the point.
Well, what they tell you at the bar is one thing.
Like this is, and what the bathroom wall says is a completely different story.
I don't know.
Believe it all. I mean, no.
Wait a minute. All right. Looking good. It's getting there.